Hello and welcome back. We got quite a lot to go over today because we've got quite a pool of setups with four potentials and four entered trades, four greens, two potentials. On Bloomberg, I'm not really seeing anything of substance. No, not at all. Silver surging. This is interesting, but we've already gone through the pair and seen that. Let's have a look at SPY. SPY is still nicely trending up. Nothing more to say to that. So dollar's probably pulling back. Yes, dollar's still pulling back. Again, if this is your first time watching, if SPY dumps, it is sold in dollars, right? So that's why there was a rally when there was a correction, and now when they're buying it up, their dollars are gone. There's no more dollar demand. There's a stock demand, okay? So that does not really have much in effect on us because it's so stable and it's been so stable compared to what it usually is. Like, it ranges a lot. Now let's get to the setups. There have been some changes. Some things went to plan. Some things went down the drain. Starting off with this pair right here, which was a nice entry. I did move my sell loss on this one, not as much, but I took a 0.75% loss on this trade right here. I was in this trade, but it was quite a nice trade, so I'm mad. So this one is no longer a valid setup, besides a potential breakout, which it has reversed into, and it'll be looking like that, something like this, which is triggering right now. Yep. Let me get this posted in Discord. So I'm going to keep it green just because of that. Seems like a trend reversal. Very interesting. Very interesting. This one right here, I am also in. This was a 12-hour entry. This trade is moving very nicely. On this one, you should have your TP at break even by now. So this is a lock. Just see where it takes you. Same for this trade. This was my golden boy. This one I was really happy to enter. This one I waited a long time for. If you're in this one as well, you've got double persistence up here with the 200 MA. You got normal resistance point, a nice range and everything. So yeah, it should be all right with this one. On the other hand, this one went down the drain. This was a full loss, full 1% loss, and this one is out. There's no breakout for this one, nothing. It's done. As for this trade right here, this one is starting to look very interesting. We're approaching candle close on this one, so I'd be looking for an indecision candle that'll be forming afterwards, after this candle closes in 5 hours. And we can see that the pair has been, it has been pretty strong all the way up here, but not as strong as before. Last time it gapped up and shit. However, it'll be interesting to see how it develops. It has the potential to explode through all of this as well and turn into some kind of breakout, but it's most likely a CR. This one by now has been invalidated, and it is invalidating the SR area. So this one is no longer a valid trade. So what we're left with is this breakout right here on the Euro GBP, this CR on the USD CHF. This one's a lock, BETP, and this one as well. Lock, BETP. And we're waiting for a CR on this one. So quite the interesting developments. That puts me down 1.75% for the month, which is what the fuck ever. And that's all I've got for now. Very interesting developments, and we'll see how they go. I thought I was going to bring something up, but I don't exactly remember what the fuck it was. But I'll remember and I'll post it in the Discord. With that said, bringing it up, closing it up nicely. If you got any questions, feel free to hop into the Discord. It'll be linked in the description. You can also leave a comment if you got any questions. I always answer comments on YouTube. And with that said, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.